Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the best tips of interview preparation. So this will help you to land your dream job. So basically we are going to talk about the basic stuff. What are the things you should need to do before attending the interview, or else you are going to let's say you are going to apply to the new job. So these are the things you need to prepare before that. So first thing is CV. So if you take a CV, that is your resume. So in that resume, you need to update your details and where your studies and your background with education backgrounds and everything you are updating there. That is your resume. So if you are developing a CV, you need to consider a lot of things. If you are a fresher, that is fine. There's mistakes, or things happen. But if you are mitigating that kind of mistakes, it will be good for you. So I will show you some resume websites. You can build it online. So let me show that websites. Here you can see the website name called resumebuilder.com. Resumebuilder.com is one of the site. You can see there's a lot of example you can see under this website. So some free template also you will receive, so you can take it and modify it with your own data and you can download it. So you can see in the resume examples there's different job roles CVs available for modification. So let's select one thing here. I'm going with engineer resume. So you can see here there's no experience resume is there, and 2 to 3 years experience resume is there. Likewise you can see a lot of resume templates here. So this is one of the site, so that name called resumebuilder.com. So another website called Resume Genius. So this is also another resume building application. So you can build your resume through this as well. So simply you need to click this build my resume now, and that will help you to navigate to their sites, and then after that you will enter some informations. That is how it is. So here you can see the button is there, continue. So this is really the interface, everything's very easy for you. You can easily understand, and you can go through and navigate, and you can update your data. So I'm going to start resume. So this is asking do you have any experience. I'm saying let's update with no right now. Yeah. So I might go, did you graduate from high school? Yes. And just update the fake information here. So let's continue. So here asking to sign up the works, because everything once you update everything, you need to save it in somewhere. So whatever the things you have update, you need to save it. So that reason this is asking to sign up and keep your data. And some of the application you can see that will asking you to sign up, and then only that will giving you to download. So that kind of application also there, but you can see a lot of things that mean lot of applications, online application, free applications available there. So you can find out a lot of websites. So there's another application called Zeti resume maker. So this is also okay. I think this is also okay. You can create a resume with this and all. So here also you can see there's a resume template. You can use whatever the template you like, right? So you can use this template, and you can use this template and update your data, and you can download it. Then it seems like it's okay. So if you are a fresher or you are an experienced person, if you are definitely an experienced person, you are just keeping everything, taking looking at a lot of templates, and you are just getting an idea about how it's everything looks like, and what are and you also experience, so you have a lot of information to update. But if you take a freshers doesn't have any kind of experience, so they need to do something different, right? So you can create it, you can create a modern CV. So that is really, I tried this ZT as well, so that is okay. You can use this one and generate the CVs. So let's create one and see how it's look like. So finally, next one where you can update everything, the specific information you need to update, otherwise this is not reflecting the changes on your final output. So let's finalize, and you can see this is what your CV is right now. So this is how it look like. What you need to do is you can just download it, and you can download. So definitely, I told you before, if you are downloading, you definitely need to sign up, and then only you can have you can download this PDF file. So that is there. So second step is you need to find the job portal. So already before I told you already done your CV. Right now you need to find out the good job portals. So when you come into the job portals, there's a lot of job portals available in the internet, but I am from Sri Lanka, so I am going to look right now a Sri Lankan websites, that is Top Job. So we can find the job vacancies in Top Job. So Top Job is one of the portal in Sri Lanka. So I will show you the other job portal also, which you are looking international and foreign jobs. So something you are looking from a different country, then there's another website also, I will show you. But before that, let's have a look this Top Job website. So in the Top Job, I'm a really software developer guy. I'm a developer basically. So currently I am filtering with IT softwares and DBQA and web graphic and GIS. That is the thing I have filtering here. If you are looking at different sectors, you can filter it from here. Here you can see a lot of categories there. HR is there, and customer relationship, hotel and restaurants, banking and insurance, and IT telecom, and lot of things you can see here. But right now I'm selecting this IT software because I'm going to looking right now a different software field, different roles with the software. So here you can see delivery unit head is there, and junior system network administrator. Likewise, there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of job open vacancies available. So let's take it SC internship. So if I click SC internship, you can see here there's another page load intern software engineer apex info with excellent analytic problems solving skills and knowledge in Java, JavaScript, mobile technology, and reading for bachelor's degree CES, computer science, IT or SC. So you can go through this website, and you can apply to your CV to the specific email addresses. And this is Top Job. So there's another website called Indeed. So Indeed is basically if you take the Indeed, it is international or else say we can global job portal. We can say global job portal. You can search any job here. You can specify the location and your job title, and top job also there, but it is for Sri Lanka. But if you are foreigner, so if you are looking international jobs, you can find out here. This is indeed.com. So you can specify here the job title and keyword, and where you want where the job is you are looking for. So here some of the result I can see here. forklift operator, let's say software engineer, right? I'm going to search software engineer. So here you can see these are remote and different location, so you can find it all the level. You have a filter also, you can find the job post whatever the things looking through this filtering option. So here there's a one thing, machine learn engineer. Let's click and go through there. So here they are mentioning the job descriptions and the experience they are looking, and everything they are mentioning here. So this is Indeed website, job portal. You can search any field, that doesn't matter that is software development or IT related thing. What are the things, what is the job post you are preferring, you can search and you can find the job here. So third thing is LinkedIn. Hope you know, everyone know this LinkedIn application. So in this LinkedIn application, this is a professional network, so you can go to the jobs. Before that you definitely need account for this, definitely. So you need to create an account if you don't have, but mostly you can get many jobs here, and people are doing networking here. If you, let's say if you are applying to one of the company, so that company you can search in your LinkedIn profile, and you can get the people who are working on. So you can send a request and you can ask them, do you have any your company have any open job vacancies? If you have, definitely then let me know, then we will give you a CV, and it's a kind of networking with the people. So this is a really good tool if you have really. But I'm saying if you don't have this account, go and create a new account for that. So after that, once you done your profile creation, you can see here there's a icon called jobs. So in the jobs you can see a similar jobs. There's a lot of jobs available if you come to here, so very easy to apply also. So recommend for you, and lot of things there. If you don't want the default things, you can search it. There is a searching option, you can search that as well. I'm going to search software engineer here. So then you can see there's a lot of software engineer position jobs we can see in the screen. So here you can see Subhashana Swandaratne, sorry for the pronunciation. So you can send an email. This LinkedIn coming with premium and free also. I am still using free version. You have a still opportunity to take this job. Anyway, you can easily apply through this clicking this button. So that option is available. So if you are a fresher or looking, obviously if you are a fresher, you have a filter option, this experience level. So you can, in this experience level, you can check this internship or entry level, associate, mid senior level, or director, executive level. You can select it from here. This option is available for you. So LinkedIn is another amazing tool. So if you don't have an account, create it, and networking with the peoples, and obviously there's a lot of chance to get hired from LinkedIn job post. So okay, another thing is there's another website also there, that is Glassdoor. You can heard about the Glassdoor, but Glassdoor is one of the website. So you can see your salaries, how much the company giving to us as per the role basis, so the title base or with the experience base. So you can see lot of things in this website. So and you can find out the jobs also. So if I'm going to jobs here, so currently I'm in a Glassdoor. So if I'm going to jobs here, so jobs, we can see software engineer. Previously I searched the title called software engineer. So we can see this count of new job post available. We can see all the jobs here, clicking through this, and you can see this is a new one and 24 hour, just post 24 hour. And yeah, you can see how recommendation, recommend to a friend and everything, ratings, everything you can see. Maybe reviews also you can see in this Glassdoor website. So this is a senior software engineer, front end remote basics. So that is that. So another thing is, if now we already done our first step and second step. First step mean update your CV. Second step is job portals. We find out job portals and update your CV. So we apply to the jobs, whatever the jobs you are looking, you are applying. So right now you are getting a one call from the company. HR is calling for you for the interview. So let's say if you are applied for a front-end developer job, or let's say you are designer or salesperson. I'm mostly going with developer engineering. So because I am working on that field, so I have experience on that field. So that is the reason I'm going with software engineering. So front end, let's stick with the front end interview. So calling them and asking you for interview. So what is the thing you need to first do is, that is a very important step, don't miss this. So most of the people are not doing this basically. So the tip is you need to go through the relevant interview questions. Let's say I'm a front-end interview, I'm going to face a front-end interview. So I need to search for front-end interview questions. So I will show you some of, you can, in the internet you can search, then you can get a lot of results with the question and answers, and what are the things as a front-end developer, what are the questions most of the company asking, everything you can see in the website, you can search in the Google and find out the data. So here are some of the things. Let's say front-end developer mean, do you definitely need a JavaScript knowledge. So this is one of the site I have found from the search. So these are some of the questions frequently asked JavaScript interview questions. We can say fresher or experience. Normally they are mix and ask. So if you are a fresher, definitely you need to have a look this one. But if you are a experienced person, that is also fine, because sometimes you not remember some of the not getting remember, so you can update your knowledge. So that is there. So that is the reason I'm saying, if you got any interview calls to the interviews, you definitely need to refer relevant interview questions before face the interview, right? So these are some of the things. But if you are not technical person, or if you are applied to the different job role, but there is also interview preparations. So these are, you can search common job interview questions. So commonly, what are the things they are expecting, or what are the questions they are asking from the interview persons. So these are some of the things. Tell me a little about yourself. These are commonly asking questions. What are the biggest mistakes? What is your biggest strength? And where do you see yourself in 5 years? So those are commonly asking interview questions. So you can, if you don't have any idea on that, just go through these sites and get an idea. So then you have that confident. So these are the common questions they will ask, so that you have that confidence, right? So that is that. So another thing is, so we refer the interview questions and all. Right now, the fourth step is, if you are interview for a front end, I'm already said, if you are applying for the development sectors, software development sectors, you definitely need to show your portfolios. Portfolio means you previously worked, let's say projects or something you have done, right? So that is what we call portfolios. In the portfolios, if you have that portfolio, you have a chance to get hired, because there's a lot of chance to get hired because you are experienced person and you are did some amazing things. But let's say if you are a fresher, that is also fine. You don't need to show them your portfolio, because you are just going to work for some company and you are going to create some portfolios after that. But that is fine for a freshers. But keep in mind, if you are a fresher, you still have the portfolio. For example, you have done something in your campus or your classroom, so you can show that to the person, the interview person. So there are also a chance for you. So that is that. So if you are showing something to the interview person, then that is good for you. So that is keep in your mind. So fifth tip is, so if you are a software developer or if you are going to a software developer field, then you need to keep your project on public. So let's say interviewer is going to ask, or interviewer giving a practical questions, let's say practical works, like practical works. Let's say they're giving a practical work for you, but you are fresher, but you are whatever the project you have done before, you are just to keep everything on your public repo, let's say GitHub, right? So you are keeping your all the project on your GitHub. So if you are going to outside and doing a practical, so you can have internet access. So you can, if you not remember some of the codes and snippets, so you can go through there and take it and you can apply it and resolve this. You can implement the features, right? So that kind of thing is have if you keep your project everything's on the public repo or GitHub, like GitHub is one of the thing. If you are keeping everything on public, then you have options to take everything and do it whatever things and make it a success interview. Sixth thing is, last but not least, so suppose if you if you get rejected because of that your interview, so that is fine. Normally in the world, normally the rejection is normally happen, so take it easy. That is okay, totally okay. If you are first time interviewing and after that you are getting rejected, that is fine, totally fine. That is what my thing is. But most of the things, most of the people basically give up when they reject from one company. So but what I am saying is, if you really need that confidence, and that doesn't matter the previous interview, even you got rejected, you still have learned something from them, right? So you can apply that whatever the things you were learning before interview for the new interview. So that is that. So this is what I'm saying, don't give up, keep trying, so you definitely reach your goal and you can definitely land your dream job. So these are the things you definitely need to know before face an interview or before preparing to the interview. So then good luck, then we'll catch on new video, then bye.